Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you my solution to Bob, the exercise. So let's get into it. So Bob is a lackadaisical teenager, whatever that word is. In conversation, his responses are very limited. Bob answers sure if you ask him a question. Bob answers whoa, chill out if you yell at him. He answers calm down, I know what I'm doing if you yell a question at him. He says fine, by the way, if you address him without actually saying anything. He answers whatever to anything else. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this was a super annoying exercise, but here goes nothing. So these different strings here, you can see the format of them, and it's like there's super weird rules for what testifies as a question, what testifies as like the semantics of whatever he's supposed to be yelling, respond with. So I'm just gonna walk you. You're gonna have to read through all this because there's so many different variations here that I just don't have the energy to show, like to go through each one of them. Hopefully you can just read them, skim through, and you can kind of see like what these tests are actually supposed to be doing. Because if I run the test suite, you can just trust that it's gonna pass. All the tests are passing. So let's have a look at the implementation. So the reply function, which is like the whole deal here, is that it's just gonna take in a string. And so the first thing I do is I trim it away, and then I do the first comparison check, and I check, okay, if is shouting. Basically, I have a function that checks if somebody's shouting, and the way that I determine if the string is a shout is that I just grab all the characters, I filter through all of the characters, and I check that they are not special characters. And what I mean by a special character is like basically if it is lowercase and it is uppercase, because the thing is that sometimes the string contains like weird letters and characters and stuff of that nature, and that's basically it. So I just filter out all the special characters, and then I collect all of them into a string, and then I check the length. If there's anything left, if there's nothing left, I return false. Otherwise, I basically uppercase everything, and that's it really. If all of these, or rather I grab all the characters and I check if all of them are uppercase, and if they're all uppercase and there are no special characters or anything like that in, then yeah, that is somebody shouting at you according to these tests. And then I have the is question function, and the is question function simply grabs the last character and matches it. And if I convert that character to a string and that is a question mark, then yeah, that's a question, otherwise it's not. And yeah, that's basically it. So we return calm down, I know what I'm doing if you are shouting, or if it's a question. And then I check if we're not saying any. If we trim the string and there's nothing in the string, we simply return fine, by the way. And then we check is shouting, is question, and then the base case is to return whatever. And yeah, that's basically how I solve this exercise. Have a great day.